All right, guys. I guess we're going to talk about it. Welcome back to Crypto Future. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. We're going to talk about Twitter suing Meta. Let's talk about it. Not really crypto related, but all over the crypto space right now. Okay, dear Mr. Zuckerberg, I write on behalf of X Corp, which is Twitter, Musk's company. As successor in interest to Twitter Inc., Twitter based on recent reports regarding your recently launched Threads app, which I've honestly never even heard of. I don't know. Have you guys heard of Threads? I've never even heard of this. Uh, Twitter has serious concerns that Meta platform has engaged in systematic, willful, and unlawful misappropriation of Twitter's trade secrets and other intellectual properties. Over the past year, Meta has hired dozens of former Twitter employees. Twitter knows that these employees previously worked at Twitter, that these employees had and continue to have access to Twitter's trade secrets and other highly confidential information, that these employees owe ongoing obligations to Twitter, and that many of these employees have improperly retained Twitter documents and electronic devices. With that knowledge, Meta deliberately assigned these employees to develop in a matter of months Meta copycat Threads app with the specific intent that they use the Twitter's trade secrets and other intellectual properties in order to accelerate the development of Meta's competing app in, sorry, these words are very, very small, in violation of both state and federal law, as well as those employees' ongoing obligations to Twitter. Twitter intends to strictly enforce its intellectual property rights and demands that Meta take immediate steps to stop using any of Twitter's secrets or other highly confidential information. Twitter reserves all rights, including but not limited to the right to seek both civil remedies and injunctive relief without further notice to prevent any further retention, disclosure, or use of its intellectual properties by Meta. Further, Meta is expressly prohibited from engaging in any crawling or scraping of Twitter's followers or following data. As set forth in the Twitter terms of service, crawling any Twitter services, including but not limited to any Twitter website, SMS, APIs, email notifications, applications, buttons, widgets, ads, and commerce services is permissionable only if done in accordance with the provisions of the robot. So, blah, blah, it's just a bunch of legal mumbo jumbo from this point on. So, basically, Meta allegedly hired a bunch of Twitter employees that have recently been fired but still owe obligations to Twitter and still have some of their information, phones, laptops, emails, things of that nature, with sensitive information owned by Twitter. And allegedly, Meta is using this information to accelerate the process and growth of their Threads platform that's supposed to compete directly with Twitter. And this is basically a cease and desist. So it'll be interesting to see the response. I thought these two were supposed to fight. Can we just get a fight and whoever wins, winner takes the spoils kind of thing, whatever. But anyway, it'll be interesting to see how this story unfolds. I thought I would bring it to you guys since it's all over Twitter for some reason. But I'm not shocked that Zuckerberg is doing something like this. The guy's crooked as the day is long. So, anyways, let me know what you guys think down below. Are you going to try this new Threads app? Or are you going to stick with Twitter? Do you even use Twitter? Let me know down below in the comments. Like and subscribe.